Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Miner. Today we're gonna have something very good today. So we're gonna print out some GPU stuff for 3D printing. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna have to print the thing out. We're gonna show you how the time lasting it is, and everything will be done after the regular intro like always. Thank you. Alright guys, so here we are. You probably won't see any camera on this point. So first of all is gonna launch my slicer. Normally I use this one, but it was eventually the one I use so far. So we're gonna wait for this to get launched, and we're waiting for that right now. Okay, normally this is the slicing I'm using it for my printing. This is the 4 slice. Yeah, I can see it, but not the one I normally use. Just give me 1 second. Alright guys, so we're here. Normally I use the same one, you guys seen it, but I use the other version, using the raw normal version. So this one right here, this is the one we're gonna use, and I'm just gonna start from right now for what we're looking for. And let's see. This is all my program, so everything like that. And the tutorials is going to the E3 3D files right here. Okay. Everything we've been using over here should be say CPU everything. I'm gonna put this on pause. I'm gonna look for that one. Alright guys, so we found what we're looking for, and this is what we're gonna print out on 3D printer. And what I'm gonna do is the next thing. Taking this rotation. I want this thing to be. Okay, perfect. So this was the way of first, but that's not the way I want it. Okay, perfectly. This is how I wanted to print the thing out. I think this is the best way to get them print. And this thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the thing up. So we're gonna slice it. Wait for that. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna put this in pause right now. Alright guys, so I'm waiting for my auto print program to loading up into the printer down over there. So that's the only thing we're waiting for right now, and then we're gonna start the printing out for you guys. So if you're gonna see it, then I'm gonna show you the final product, how it's gonna look after we finish. And for what I'm seeing is we're gonna have 10 hours printed out. So how soon this is gonna be ready tomorrow morning. And for you guys in this video, then I'm gonna show you what is the next step after that. Basically I gotta print out 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that much. I'm only gonna print out 2 of them. I really got only 2 small GPU I'm gonna use it for. Really they don't need it, but I may gonna go and doing it. I think we can use it for them, and we're just gonna print the thing out, see how cool they look. I think we got enough print the material for them, but we're gonna see it. Well, you can see, and this is how the final product is. Alright, so auto print is for the loading. So let me get the interface over there. Sorry guys, it's gonna take me a while. so trying to load into the system. Give me 1 second. I mean, I load my stuff, but I'm just gonna do that. And this thing keep changing this thing. Alright, so it's a weird part. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use my other stuff. I want to reshare it. I want to. Give me 1 second. I look like I gotta manually off the system. Okay, so alright. I think it should be connecting already to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so let's see. Alright, this is what I've been getting from auto-print connection. So this is what I've been getting, and that's not fun at all. So I gotta figure out this and come back in a second. Alright guys, so let's see if this is working out. Should be already still on the system, so should you allow me to come in? Okay, not allow me, so let's try that. Alright, this will all working. Alright, so loading into the auto part. This is the cool part. This is my ender tree, and you can see it. What we can do is I can get all this stuff. Can control and connect to the camera. So this is what we're gonna be. And I already got the program slide. So what we're gonna go back over here is, and we're gonna save this on one of the hard drive. So we're gonna go to 3G code's already saved. So we put it right there. Know what we're looking for. EPO2. Then we're going back to the auto print. So we got it right here. And the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna all up the folder. But I gotta go back to E3. See, we got a few things over here, and what we're looking for is this one right here. And we click open. We gotta wait until it's get loading. So we are sending what we need over there. So it looks like I got all day my auto print. So some stuff is getting not really updating. And let's move this thing. You can see it. Also, you can see the header now. Okay. Alright, so we're already on point for print stop and down. Oh, you can see the PCs over there and the message over there. Alright, now we got this. That's a funny bro. How we trying to fix it and contract cleaning out. Okay. Especially with those computers out there. Alright, we're gonna hit print. And after we hit print, we're just gonna wait for everything to start hitting over there. This is the thing with this, like I said before, that's gonna be like a little kind of test. It's not gonna be nothing more than that. We're gonna use that program. It's gonna be all white. What happened is when I got that mess, that's specifically where the reason we are trying to print it on this one. We're gonna one white, one black. But if I got available in the moment to print out, that's what I'm gonna use. And also gonna help me out to make better context so I can keep the stuff up there, and I can use the battle to session to organize a little bit more of the stuff. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pause the video over here, and when we start printing out, I'll be put it right back. You can see it. You'll always see the printer and stuff. Alright guys, so you can see now the printer is started. Gotta wait for some stuff. Alright, it's coming out. So alright guys, so you can see I have to stop in let's see this. So we're gonna probably have to stop this and I'll be back in a few seconds. Alright guys, so I didn't have to stop in it. The first print that I got was like a little test, it didn't outside. So right now it's doing the actual print, as you can see it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video for a little bit and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna see a little bit how far it's going down, but this is gonna take about 2 to 3 hours. And tomorrow I'm just gonna take a picture and just gonna show you the picture how this look. Alright, so I'll be seeing you in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're still not finished, but as you can see, I'm just gonna show you how they look. This is how everything is gonna look by when we finish. So this is the final product we're gonna get out of this one. So this is for a dual one, and this is how everything is look. And also let me show you, we still like 35 to 1 hour already printing out. You can still see it right there. And alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Also, you gotta make a way to the end of the video. Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Just leave me a little comments over there what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next one.